welcome and thank you so much for dropping by my little channel, Miss Nikki-san. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. So today I wanted to take you back in time with me with a video I filmed about 8 years ago. This was a weekend trip to a tiny remote little island on the Chesapeake Bay side of the eastern shore of Virginia. So I discovered this island pretty randomly while searching for places not too far from where we live to spend a weekend with my family. I was looking around on Google Maps and noticed in the middle of the Chesapeake Bay that there were a few tiny islands. So I discovered this island pretty randomly while searching for places not too far away from where we live to spend a weekend with my family. I was looking around on Google Maps and I noticed that in the middle of the Chesapeake Bay that there were a few tiny islands. And out of all the tiny islands there, Tangier grabbed my attention because I read somewhere that the people there have their own dialect and accent that dates back to the mid to late 1500s from the time that Queen Elizabeth I reigned in England. One pretty sad thing you need to know is that this island is quickly sinking due to rising sea levels. I'm not sure how much longer it's going to be around, but it's a very sobering reality, especially knowing that this island is home to about 400 inhabitants with a long and rich history. They have their own culture, they have their own way of life, and all of that will be gone before we know it, but hopefully never forgotten. Living on the island for the locals is pretty tough all year long because the climate can be pretty harsh and they are pretty remote from the mainland. Most people here make a living from fishing and crabbing, and they have very good soft crabs here. I have to let you know there's really not much to do here except taking in nature at its rawest. If quiet and calm and skies bright with stars is not your thing, then definitely do not visit this place. But this place was for us. We really loved it and we used it to just decompress and relax. We walked around town and we went to the beach, and at the beach actually you have to be very careful because there's a lot of sinking sand. Oh, and cell phone service, forget about it. Almost none anywhere on the island. We were here for 3 days and never used our phone because there was zero internet. Our brains, our mind, and our soul felt washed from daily technology. So now I'm gonna let you enjoy this quick little video, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a like.
Hello, Steve.
Hello? Oh, it's video?
Video.
Oh, hello?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say?
I don't know. Tangier Island. The water. Beautiful sunset.
Ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong.
Yeah, where are we?
Huh?
Where are we?
I don't know.
What island? Tangier.
Tangier.
Yeah, let's go downstairs. Let's go discover more things.
Because we're on a Tangier Island adventure. Oh, look here. Dirty in there. Wow.
It's really cute around here.
Mommy! Mommy, I'm inside now. Mama, look. Daddy can lay down here. Look. Look here, Mama.
Mommy and say, gee.
Nice grass.